What's up, guys? Welcome to Jade High, Higher Consciousness Through Movement, your source for learning to fuse yoga with dance. Now in today's video, we're going to be covering track 3 of your yoga dance fusion workshop, Sun Salutations. Now track 3 has a little different format than the first 2 tracks. Rather than me teaching you the movement count by count, we're instead going to be moving with a little more freedom this time. So we're going to be tapping into our own bodies and adjusting to whatever pace our bodies need, moving according to that. So what my focus is on this video is teaching you 2 variations on Sun Salutations, Surya Namaskar A and Surya Namaskar B, also known as Sun A and Sun B. Let's break them down. Surya Namaskar A, Sun A. Stepping to the front of your mat, finding Tadasana. Rotate the palms forward. Lift gently up and out of the hips. Inhale, lengthen up through the sides of the body. Palms meet up at the top. Exhale, pour forward. Bending through the knees is okay. Inhale, halfway up, drift the eyes forward, draw the shoulders away from the ears, navel to the spine. Exhale, pour forward. Step or hop back, top of the push-up, lowering through Chaturanga Dandasana. Halfway down, send the crown of the head up and through upward facing dog. Exhale, press through the tops of the feet, flip the toes, find downward facing dog. Inhale, bend the knees, drift the eyes forward, step or hop to the front of your mat. Inhale, halfway up, Ardha Uttanasana, hands pressed to shins. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, root the feet to rise all the way up to standing. Palms again meet up at the top. Exhale, find Tadasana. Now I'm going to show you guys that Surya Namaskar A with a different orientation to give you another perspective. Sun Salutation B, Surya Namaskar B, stepping towards the front of your mat into Tadasana. Sit back, skim the fingertips, drop the hips, lift the chest into chair pose. Press through the feet to rise up. Exhale, forward fold, Uttanasana. Inhale, halfway up, hands pressed to shins, lengthen through the spine. Exhale, forward fold, spread the fingers, bend the knees, hop back to Chaturanga. Lower through Chaturanga. Inhale, send the crown of the head forward, upward facing dog. Exhale, find downward facing dog. Step the right foot forward, anchor the back heel, heel to heel connection. Inhale, arrive, warrior 1. Exhale, place the hands down. Inhale, step back, top of a push-up. Exhale, lower through Chaturanga, taking your full vinyasa. Same thing, other side. Left foot steps forward, anchor the back right heel. Inhale, arms reach to the ceiling. Exhale, place the hands down. Inhale, step back, high plank position. Exhale, elbows graze the rib cage, lowering through Chaturanga. Send the crown of the head forward and through. Exhale to downward facing dog. 5 breaths. Inhale, bend the knees, eyes drift forward, step or hop to the front of your mat. Inhale, halfway up, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, forward fold. Bend the knees, drop the hips, skim those fingertips to arrive into chair pose. Inhale, press through the feet. Open through the hip flexors. Exhale. Hands come to heart center. Now I'm going to show you Surya Namaskar B, switching my orientation, giving you a second perspective. So those are your two options for sun salutations in track 3. So take your pick. The point of track 3 is to really ease in to deeper movement after doing both the warm-up and the slow flow tracks. So if you haven't seen those videos yet, go ahead and check them out. But if you're short on time, this video can be practiced independently. If you'd like to follow along with me in track 3, I'm going to touch on both variations, Sun A and Sun B respectively, and then I might bounce back and forth between the two. So feel free to stay with me at my own pace or move at yours. So rather than counts this time, we're really going to tap into our own intuition and just do what feels good. So when the music begins, feel free to start moving. Thank you guys so much for joining me in track 3, Sun Salutations, of your Yoga Dance Fusion workshop. I'll see you here next time for track 4. It's called Open and Lengthen. I'm Chelsea. This is Jade. Hi. See y'all soon.